Hi, I'm Dan Ross from Silicon Valley Hypnosis Center, and in this video I'm going to talk about natural remedies for anxiety. And I'm going to use this motion as an example of something. So I had a client that came to me who had a hard time going into busy stores or crowded places like that. And so it had gotten to the point when she came to see me that she could no longer even go and do her regular shopping. So even something as simple as buying groceries had become too intense for her. And what happened was she had some situation that triggered her. So if you think of this as kind of like a trigger finger. So the situation was go into a crowded place, and the reaction was to have some kind of tightening and have this strong anxiety reaction. And there's many different ways to have remedies for that. So if someone needs to go and get some medication for that, they should go do that. If if they feel they need some like intensive therapy, they should go do that. And sometimes people go do that and it still doesn't resolve the actual cause. It may help some of the symptoms, but it doesn't resolve the cause. And so then people can be looking for, what are some of the natural remedies that will actually reduce and eliminate that reaction. And that's what I like to do in my hypnotherapy practice, which is to find out what the trigger is and what the reaction is. So in her case, it was just this tightening and this anxiety reaction, and found exactly what she was doing in her mind. So she had a certain pattern of feeling things and seeing things, and she had some unconscious way of making it mean something when she was having this kind of trigger and reaction. And then it helped her to reprogram her mind so that this same trigger had a different reaction. It sent her in a different direction. It felt like, oh, okay, going out into those places is kind of normal. So that's an example of a natural remedy, which is something that can actually help somebody reprogram their mind and have a completely different reaction, so that just naturally their behavior is different and their response is different. So I help people with issues like this in my private practice. For more information, go to siliconvalleyhypnosiscenter.com, and there's a little button there that'll give you more information on anxiety.